Hi guys, so we're here at the christening of Florme Abu's nephew named Saint Martin. So here's JM's aunt. Say hi.
Hi.
Now, can you give a message?
Thank you for coming.
Coming, yeah. This is CUMMING. Coming.
Yeah, coming.
Yeah. Hi,
You wanna
coming.
come?
Yeah. Here's Ann. What can you say about the christening of your nephew?
Christening, I don't
What's your
like.
message to JM? GM? My group message?
General message.
Hello.
No? Yeah, why can't you say welcome to the Christian world?
Welcome to Christian
So
world.
you're just repeating what I've said?
I'm just repeating what you said.
So you're just like my echo? Like can you say guapa ko? RJ, RJ, come. Oh my god, I might join you. Hey, RJ. Hi, Kiko. Yeah, here's Kiko. Kiko is a young designer. It's this year, but then in a month from now, it's not his year anymore. It's mine. So give a message.
Don't talk about.
It's so high up.
Okay, so there are a lot of boys here. There. No, he's not a boy. Nor am I.
Okay na din.
Mas Rachel.
Yeah.